I'm about to find products doing over 100K a month live with you guys. Because finding winning products is the easy part. The hard part and what actually makes you money is everything that comes after. Building a clean, high converting website, designing product pages that make people actually want to buy from you, creating an offer that feels like a no-brainer, and running ads that turn clicks into real sales. But here's where things get interesting. With the AI tools and product research platforms we have today, you can literally tap into what's working in real time. We can see what other Shopify stores are selling, how much they're making every day, and exactly which products are driving that revenue. So instead of guessing what to sell, you're starting with products that are actually proven to make sales. Let me show you exactly how to do it. All right, so I'm gonna log into Zik. This is the product research tool I use every single day, and I talk about this all the time on my channel. So I won't go too deep into this, but I will go ahead and leave a link for you guys down below in case you wanna try it out. Now, when you first log in, it's gonna give you a list of trending Shopify stores as well as trending products. These are just some of the best performing Shopify stores and Shopify products over the last 30 days. And of course, these lists update every single day. So if you guys want to just log in and find some of the top performing trending products this way, you have total freedom to do so. But me personally, I'm a control freak. I like to have full control over everything. So I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side to the product explorer tool, and we can use all of these filters right here to look up winning products. So if you sell in a specific niche, you can type that in under keywords. You can look up the different product types, whether it's a dropshipping product, a print-on-demand product, or a one-product store. You can even select which ad channels they're focused on, if they run Facebook ads, Pinterest, TikTok, or even Snapchat. You can also search for products based on where they're advertised on. So you can look up products that are performing well on Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, or even Pinterest ads. And of course, you can look up products by their country, language, as well as currency. And we can look up the minimum and maximum amount of sales, revenue, as well as the price. So for example, we'll type in 30 days for the sales date range right here. We'll type in minimum of 50K revenue and click search. So based on that, we're looking up winning products that are doing at least $50,000 every single month. And all of these products right here in this list match that criteria. So let's go back up to the top and be a little more specific here. I want to find dropshipping products and one product stores that I can sell on Facebook and TikTok ads. And this time, instead of $50,000 a month, I want to look up winning products that are doing $170,000 a month. We're really setting the bar high here. So I'll finish typing all of that in and we'll go ahead and click search. And this time our products are really narrowed down. Every product you see on here is doing at least $170,000 a month, and it's selling on Facebook or TikTok ads. And it's gonna tell you what kind of product each one is right here, whether it's a one product store, comes from a drop shipping store. It looks like all of these examples right here are one product stores. And then it's gonna tell you which country or market each one of these stores is based in. So we have a US store right here, we have a UK store right here, we have a store in the French market right here. This just gives you a good idea of where these products are currently selling. So one thing I've noticed as I scroll down this list is I keep seeing this product over and over again. It's this laser hair removal tool. And this is one of those products that performs well every single year around this time, when it's spring and it starts to warm up outside. Like if we keep scrolling, there it is again, 2 more times, there it is again, there it is again. So I definitely can't ignore this product. Let's go ahead and analyze the store further. So this brand is called Symbix Biome. They're active on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, as well as X, and they're running all of their ads right now on Facebook ads. So this brand has a really strong social media presence. They're created in 2020, they have over 13 products, over 1,100 sales, and $2.4 million in revenue over the last 30 days. That's literally insane. Looks like sales are dipping down a little bit, but these guys are still doing $50, $60, $70, $100,000 every single day. Like if we look at the beginning of the month right here, these guys were doing $250, $230, $260,000 every single day. That is crazy. I'll exit out of here. We got to take a look at what their products are down here. So it looks like they're entirely focused on those laser hair removal tools. They have a bunch of different variations of that same exact tool, and each one's bringing in a different amount of revenue. This one's doing $200,000 a month for them, $230, $210, $181, $300,000 a month. This is one of the best dropshipping stores I've seen in a while. So let's take a look at one of their product pages. So for example, this landing page specifically is doing over 200K a month for these guys. They have a pop-up to capture our name, email, and phone number. I really like that. They have all the reviews down here at the bottom. They have a really strong description, some high quality content showing the product in use, what it does. They have some high quality videos of the product working. And they really brand this as a premium style product. They're selling it for over $1,100 when you can get it on AliExpress for like 20 to 50. And these guys also offer Afterpay, so you can get it in interest-free installments. They have so many ways to reach out and learn more about this product. This is a perfect landing page. I like everything that I'm seeing on here. So let's go back to Zik and let's take a look at their active ads right now. So that brings up the Facebook ads library, and we can see all the different ads that this brand is using to target their audience. And this brand has a fair mix of static image ads, video ads, and everything in between. You can see all of their ad copy right here, which one's performing best for them. And we're sorting all of these ads right now from impressions, from high to low. So we're starting with the best performing ads, going to their least performing ads. So going up to the top, this brand's best performing ad is this video right here. Super simple content. And same thing with all their image ads over here. You could easily upload this product into a tool like ChatGPT and create some high quality static image ads. So we'll go back to Zik and you guys can analyze any of this store's social media pages right here. So let's see how they're performing on TikTok right now. And this brand's getting some really good traction on TikTok. They have over 2,000 followers, 11,000 likes, but look at all this viral content down here. Some of their most popular videos are getting 900,000, 700,000, 300,000 views. And it looks like all of their content right here is testimonial style UGC. So if you want to sell a product like this, you could definitely send it to a few influencers that match your customers' demographics. You see older people like this that just want to improve their general health. And another really cool thing about Zik is it'll actually show you which themes these stores are using. So taking a look at their store right here, obviously their website's really clean and professional looking. And going back to Zik, it's saying they have a custom theme right here, SW Dev. So it actually looks like a custom theme that this brand developed themselves. And you can see the entire list of apps that this store is using by clicking right here. So they have their AI chatbots to talk to potential customers. They have their product reviews, their SEO app, their pop-ups, their heat maps, and everything else. Zik literally gives you every tool you need to take an inside look at any of these brands. So I want to go back to our list of trending products one more time because I already found a really good product to sell with you guys in just a few minutes. But to show you guys how simple this really is, I'm going to find one more with you guys. But to show you guys how simple this really is, I'm going to go ahead and find one more. So I'll keep scrolling this list until I find something that catches my attention. Like I'm not going to want to sell something like this heat pump or this bike right here, but this is definitely a good way to spot trending high ticket products like this sauna if you wanted to get into high ticket dropshipping. All right, so after spending some time scrolling that list, I came across this brand right here, Massage Care. They're a Danish store that's very active on YouTube and they're running all of their ads right now on Facebook ads. They have 8 different products, over 900 sales, and $618,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. Taking a look at their sales numbers, we can see that this brand's sales are really consistent. They're doing around $110,000 every single day. And pulling up this brand's sales chart, their sales are very consistent. They're doing around $80,000, $130,000, $150,000 every single day. Mind you, this is their local currency because they're doing around 3.9 million in their local currency. So altogether around $618,000 USD every single month. That's really good. And if we take a look at their products down here, these are definitely some trending products that you guys have seen before. Like they have that massage gun, they have that foot massager, they have a bundle with both. And then they have all of their bundles down here. We can get 1 foot massager, 2, 3, or even 4. And it looks like these bundles are bringing in a good amount of revenue for these guys. Like this one right here with the 2 massagers, 80,000. This one with the 4 foot massagers, they're doing 170,000 a month with. This just goes to show you should be bundling and upselling every product you sell. You should have quantity breaks on almost every product page as long as it makes sense. So let's take a look at their product page down here. Obviously it's entirely in Danish, so I'm gonna go ahead and translate that for this video. So some things on here might not be perfect, but altogether, this is a really high quality product page. They have high quality content. It's visually appealing. There's really not much to it. Doesn't look like they have any reviews down here. I would definitely include that. Like it says they have over 500 reviews, but where? That's one thing I see on a lot of stores. Don't say you have 500 plus reviews if you're not going to display them on your product page, because people are just going to look up your brand on Google, find one of your competitors and just buy from them instead. You want to keep everybody on your product page on your website so they can complete their purchase on there. You don't want them leaving at any point. So go back to Zik, let's go ahead and take a look at this brand's Facebook ads. So here's the brand Massage Care, and it says they have 72 active ads running right now. That's really good. And it looks like the majority of these, 9 out of 10 ads, are video ads. They do have a fair mix of static image right here, but some of their best performing ads by far are all of those video ads we saw right up here at the top. Like this one has the most impressions, so it's obviously performing the best for them. And look how high quality and engaging it is. This is a really good video. If you make videos just like this and translate them, you can sell in different markets just like this store is doing. So like if you find a product that's doing like 300K a month in the US and you wanted to take it to another market like Germany or the Danish market like this brand's doing, you can absolutely do so. That's actually one of the best strategies that dropshippers are using right now. And of course, you can add any of these stores to your favorites and access them back on Zik at any time. So you can set aside all of these winning products to test later in the week. And if you need a supplier for any of them, you can find one in one click with this AliExpress icon right here. It's just going to use AI to scan AliExpress for the best suppliers for each one of these products. It's going to show you the recommended selling price, the AliExpress price, as well as your profit margin. And once you find a supplier you like, you can add this product to your store in just one click right here. So you can literally go from finding these products to selling them on your own store in just a couple of minutes. It's never been easier to get started than it is right now. That's by far the quickest and easiest way to find winning products to sell in 2026. And if you guys want to try this product research tool out yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for it down below, where you'll also find a ton of additional resources like my free course to help you get started. But of course, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.